Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I have been missing. I know. I haven't posted in so long, but you're gonna love this video because I hope you do love this video. This is different from what I usually do on this channel. I wanted to create more wellness, fitness content. So what I eat in a day, workout routine. So yeah, this is going to be my upper body routine. I'm going to be showing you what I do in the gym to build a nice solid back, a nice sexy back, okay, so that when you wear your open back dresses, you look really cute and hot, and then it shows your hourglass shape a lot more. So yeah, let me know what you think on this type of videos. I am looking forward to making more of them because I'm always at the gym, and I figured, okay, this is a way I could be consistent in making videos for you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited, and yeah, catch you in the video. Bye.